What is up, YouTube? So today I finally got the time to install mud flaps on my new car, which I've been driving around for 6 days just like that. So if you're buying such an expensive car, you would expect that it would come factory fitted with mud flaps, but no, you have to buy it as a showroom accessory. I had asked for it during delivery, but it was out of stock. So here I am at Palm Beach Road, Vashi, in the car accessory section, where I am going to have mud flaps installed on my car. So I'll just show you how dirty the car has become because of not having mud flaps for this past 1 week. This installation is a pretty straightforward, easy DIY which you can do yourself at home if you've ordered the mud flaps online. I was short of time, that is why I got it done from outside. The only tool you need for this is a screwdriver with both a plus and minus side. So first you need the minus side of the screwdriver to unlock and remove these clips like this. On the rear side of the car, there's a total of 3 clips that you need to remove. 2 on the side and 1 on the bottom over here. So once the clips are removed, the next step is to put the mud flap in position and then put back the clips that you removed. Now this is the important part. If you don't want your mud flaps falling off every time you hit a bump, you need to press the clips really hard until you hear the click sound, which indicates that they have been locked in place. So for the front mud flaps, instead of 3 clips, there's only 1 clip and 2 screws. So to unscrew the screws, you need to rotate the tire. So on the front end of the car, the clip is on the bottom, which is removed again using the minus end of the screwdriver. The 2 screws on the side are removed using the plus end of the screwdriver. So that's it, guys. Installation of the mud flaps is complete. It cost me 400 rupees along with the labor charges, all inclusive. So not bad at all. So that's it for this episode. Please do subscribe to my channel for some more interesting Sonet and Civic videos. See you.